Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password for your RingCentral account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the RingCentral application on your device. And if you have been logged into your account already, then you need to first log out, as there is no option within the application to change your password from within. So just tap on your account icon at the top left corner and then scroll down and tap on the red sign out button. Then confirm your sign out by tapping on the sign out button once again. Now you will be taken into the home page where you will either be able to sign in to your account or create a free account. Simply tap on sign in and you will be taken to your sign in page. Now once you're in this page, in order to change your password, simply type in your email address that you used to sign up while creating your RingCentral account. Then tap on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Now in order to change your password, simply tap on forgotten password, and now you will be asked to enter your email address once again to confirm resetting your password. Go ahead and tap on the reset button and you will be asked to check your inbox to find a link to reset your password. You can simply tap on this link and you will be allowed to reset your password. Go ahead and type in your desired new password and then tap on continue to change it. And now your password will successfully be changed. You can now use your newly changed password in order to log into your account along with your previous email address. If you signed up using your Google account, then you will not need to worry about changing or remembering any password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on RingCentral. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.